Welcome to Reject Regret. We are Wilson and Adil. On this channel, we are all about sharing practical lessons to help you build a better tomorrow. And today, we are talking about a topic that can feel intimidating, but is probably the most powerful tool you have for your future: investing. If you have ever felt like your savings are going nowhere, or that investing is just something for rich people, then this video is for you. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's start designing a smarter financial future. Remember, this video is for education and entertainment purpose only. This is not financial advice. Do your own research or speak to a regulated advisor. Alright, let's get started. Imagine you have a £50 a month to put away for the next 30 years. You have two paths. Path 1, you put it in a standard savings account. After 30 years, you would end up with about £27,000. Not bad at all. Path 2, you put the same £50 into the stock market instead. Based on the average historical returns, you could end up with over £61,000. That's the same money, but more than double the result. So what's the secret sauce that makes such a huge difference? It's a concept called compound interest. The easiest way to think about compound interest is like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it grows, it starts earning interest not just on the money you put in, but on the interest it has already made. Your money's growth snowballs over time. And here's a cool trick to see how powerful that is. It's called the rule of 72. Just divide 72 by your expected annual return. With a 7% interest return from the market, you could double your money in about 10 years. With a savings account, you could be waiting almost 30. Okay, so we know investing is powerful, but before you start, you need a game plan. This might be the most important part of the video because it tells you the exact order to do things in. Think of it like climbing a ladder. You have to do it in the right order. Step 1, get the free money from your employer's pension match. Step 2, pay off any high interest debt like credit cards. Step 3, use the stocks and shares ISA for long-term savings. Step 4, if you have extra, top up your pension. And the last step 5, and only then you should think about a normal investment account. Alright, let's focus on that first, most important one, the workplace pension. You know that pension your work probably signed you up for automatically? It is the closest thing to free money you will ever get. That's because of something called the employer match. By law, your company has to contribute to your pension, but most will do more. They will often match what you put in, pound for pound, up to a certain limit. It's literally a buy one get one free offer on your own money. It's an instant 100% return. You can't afford to miss out on this. Now, you might have heard the term vesting. All that means is that the free money from your boss becomes officially yours to keep after you work there for about 2 years. Think of it as a loyalty bonus. And on top of all that, you get tax relief. To put it simply, for every £80 that leaves your pocket, £100 actually lands in your pension pot. The taxman automatically tops it up for you. It's an incredible deal. Okay, so you're getting your full employer match. Fantastic. But where does your next spare £50 go? Back into the pension or into something called as stocks and shares ISA? This can feel confusing. So we use a simple analogy to make it clear. Think of your pension as a locked treasure chest and your ISA as a flexible backpack. The pension treasure chest is amazing. Your boss adds free coins and the government gives you a tax bonus on the way in. But it's locked away until you're older, currently age 55, and that's set to rise. The ISA backpack, on the other hand, is super flexible. You put your after-tax money in, but any growth it makes is 100% tax-free. And you can unzip it and take your money out whenever you need it. So the decision flow is actually really logical. First, always get the free money from your pension match. Then, use the flexible ISA backpack for your medium-term goals, like saving for your house deposit. If you have even more left over for retirement, you can go back to filling up the pension treasure chest. Alright, theory is great, but action is what matters. Here is your mission for tonight, a simple 3-step action plan. 1. Log into your work pension online. Find out what's your employer's maximum matches and make sure you're contributing enough to get every single penny of that free money. 2. Open a stocks and shares ISA. You can do it online in less than 10 minutes. A simple low-fee global index fund is a great starting point for beginners. 3. Automate it. Set up a standing order to transfer that first £50 right after you get paid. Once you've done even one of these steps, comment 50 invested below. Let's celebrate the wins together. It's time to stop letting your cash get eaten by inflation and start letting compound interest work for you instead. You got this.